Scooter Gang. It is 5 p.m. on a Sunday, and today we're gonna be learning how to skate and hopefully not dying or breaking any equipment. Let's go. Alright, so here's the deal. There's a bunch of people behind me right now. Okay, sorry.
It's alright. I don't want to.
Thanks. I'm in a super inconvenient spot right now, so I'm gonna stop doing this in a second. But here's the deal, is that I'd like to skate around the campus. Is that audio any better? Probably. I'd like to skate around campus and be a cool kid. However, I'm really bad at stopping and turning, and I can't jump yet. So that's kind of the goal for today, is to see if I can learn how to jump on skates, which the answer is gonna be probably not, but we're gonna find out anyway. It was just like a fun fact about my skating experience yesterday when I was practicing my toe stop. Completely fell off, and that was a terrifying series of acrobatics to retrieve that, so let's hope that doesn't happen again. I have no idea how the footage from these two things put together is going to look, but I guess we're gonna find out, because I have to use my phone to listen to music. How about that? That's cool, right? I'm terrified, but we're gonna try this. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't mean to get in the way. The sky is very pretty right now. Also, I've scraped my hands and my wrist hurts now from falling on it so many times, so I think I'm done jumping for today. Peek into my process, right? Yeah, of course you do, totally. It's like super interesting. I totally know what I'm doing. I'm like a professional video editor. I did the text popping up one by one like this with these, let me mute that, boop. The little stacked text boxes. There's definitely an easier way to do this with keyframes, but I don't know how, so I didn't. Music is down here, and as you can see, whenever I did my vocals, I sliced it and did a little exponential fade or power gain in between to transition between quiet ones and loud ones. Blinking text again was done with little chunks because I don't know how to use keyframes in Premiere yet. And I added a bit of a filter to all of my clips, and I just took this one, put it down to 65%. I adjusted the white balance on these clips in my dorm because the lighting was really bad. And yeah, that's about it. Here's the massive amounts of footage I collected that I didn't end up using. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is a little bit different than my ordinary content, but I had to make a vlog for class, and I figured if I've got to do that, why don't I share it with all of you guys? So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. If you'd like to see more little baby vlogs like this, just let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notifications on. Huge shout out to Nick, my #1 Patreon supporter, and keep an eye on my Twitter and my Facebook page for updates and exciting things to come. Bye!